Hello YouTube, I am SM451, and here's some more item rain. It's going to be using Indigo Wukami. And today I'm going to be doing the Star Cup. I'm going to start with the Star Cup, and then after that I'll move on to Bowser's Castle, N64 Bowser's Castle. And then do some other custom, and actually do custom tracks. And not retros, actually custom. Said that last time, but this time why burn out? I was right with me in this world of legginess. I will want to go kill myself now. Please end me. I want to. What are you? Please don't come with me. It's just item rain. I want to die. This is not okay. Look up, bullet bill, or please don't take it from me. I need to escape from North Korea. Item rain. Come on, ride with me. We'll go to the sunset of the ocean. Why don't you come with us? We will not be okay. We will die right now. It'll happen to all of us. See, I am thinking all this in my head right now. If I wasn't, why would I be stuttering? And you will see that it's true. Oh, okay, yeah, no, I'm not doing this. Bam, shock dodge. In this bullet bill, we will ride together. Let's go. We go. First race done. Dry Bowser took a half an hour. Huh? That's weird. I'm pressing skip and it's not skipping it. Hang on. My controller was starting to go like, you are not. For some reason, my controller is only accepting me to be player number 2. So I have to leave a controller or drain its battery. And for now, which I'm not liking. But you know, as long as this Mario Kart playing once I get to play Mario Kart Wii, hey, and go poopy. Okay, that was very cringe of me. I'm actually going to unsubscribe from my own channel right now. Like this horrible meme where it's like I'm now gonna go playing Animal Crossing New Horizons and go poopy. Wait, I have no idea why I was shown that meme. Oh. What? All the items are just not getting destroyed. Never took a shock dodge. I want that bullet bill. Probably wasn't worth it, but I want a bullet bill. You know, nothing is safe on this. There's nowhere that's safe in item rain. Why does bad items always have to land on me? I can't Bullet Bill ever land. I can't good. I feel like it's made just so bad items always land on you. You know, it's never a good item. Oh, the frame. Oh no, I'm not liking this track. The frame rate is dropping. Even though I believe in my ranking all the Mario Kart tracks, this one came out as number 5. Better than Coconut Mall. They took it. There we go, it's finished. Now let's go off the... Oh, Wukami's too much of a safe driver. She can't go off the edge. I burned out. Why I'm burning out? That's not normal of me. Yeah, like, I have barely burned out that much. Let's turn that. Come on, I can fight through a leg. Kill the Wiggler. You're not worthy, Mario Kart Wii label character to be in Mario Kart 7. Wow, if you can see it, that the KMH meter is having a seizure. Oh, shock everyone. Like, I know in Mario Kart 8 you can't shock people. You pull a shock, no, everyone behind it does not affect anyone that's behind you. But for this game, it'll affect everyone. Which that's what I love about. That's what I love and hate about it. The thing I hate about it is that like 10th place pulled it, but then you in 11th place are so far behind, and that now it's impossible to catch up. Where's all the items? They're nuts. Here we go. Got a star. You're my superstar. No one else will take it this far. I'm flipping the switch. Get ready for this. Oh, let's do. Oh, the Coconut Mall. I will straight up Coconut Mall everyone in all my videos now. I avoided that. No idea why I avoided that bullet bill. Which I'm so proud for my ranking on Mario Kart tracks. I put Maple Tree Way as number 3. Because the entire background is rendered and animated. Yeah. Time for Grumble Volcano. Ah! That was just brutal. Give me that mega. Or I could just go and, or else I could, or you could just hit a bullet bill. And get target shocked. Get flying this way. Here we go. My item range senses are finally back up and running because I'm revving up those fryers. I'm only seeing mushies on the ground. This one thing's don't look. Oh yeah, right. Grumble Volcano item rain. They all land in restricted areas. Will it get broken respawn? I don't want that kind of respawn. Go, I'm about to overlap everybody. You know what I don't like, brothers, not playing with computer players, that the computer players are so blind they can't see the power items in front of them. There we go. 4 half-an-hour time finishes. Right, time for N64. What I did not do in my last Iron Rain video. N64's Bowser's Castle. Oh, I finally get it. Squish everything in sight. So I could go faster. So gotta go fast, gotta go fast. Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Hello, gay Bowser. Go. Go through here, go to the tunnel. No. I'm not, it's very hard to commentate when all you're doing is just panicking. Should have grabbed that bullet bill. Bam! Shock dodge. Here we go. Let's finish this race. Whoa. Let's finish this clean. No items. It's just laying around. Except the bullet bill. There we go. So where are all the items? Oh, there they are. Ooh, I perfectly grabbed that. Shock dodge! So yeah, now I'm doing a custom track called Slot Circuit. On Item Rain. Ooh, a slot car derby area. Oh wait, I've seen SMG4 or Kevin play on this track. Back in there, in one of those episodes of Ho Bros where they were. Of course, it's playing Coconut Mall. Just let the bullet bills take me. Just Peach right there. Shock everyone. What? I not dodged that POW. Oh, I saw something of Brawl in the background. You know, the best match to exist. You just got coconut mauled. Why does this song not have lyrics? I want to. Fell off the slot car derby. I want that bullet bill. It despawned! Does the star make up for it? I am so dumb. Ah! Can we finish this race, please? Come on, I have a minute left to finish this track. 2 bullet bills right by each other. Aw, rip. There's so many pals in one race. No. No! Okay, so yeah. Since this might be the end of the video, oh, Kangaroo, I hope you're listening and so closely. For our next video on SM451 kart, I will be doing Nothing Bad Ever Happens in Mario Kart or Wii on your favorite track. I hope you are ready. I hope you have your notification bar set up, Kangaroo. So yeah, to everyone else, goodbye.